Floral tributes were paid to late cadres of People's Liberation Army (PLA) at the memorial site located at Sairausing, a hillock in Imphal West today, by families, relatives, friends of the martyrs, along with leaders of various civil society organizations and Maira Paives. The proscribed Revolutionary People's Front (RPF) observes April 13th as Athauba Singin Numit, Martyrs Day, every year to remember the 1982 Kodompokpi encounter in which 9 cadres of PLA, the armed wing of RPF, were killed by security forces. Assam Rifles, in association with the Second World War Imphal Campaign Foundation and Manipur Tourism Forum, organized a motorcycle rally commemorating 75th anniversary of Imphal battle. The rally was flagged from Kwerengai. The president of the banned Kanglaipak Communist Party, KCP Labamaite, has greeted the people on the occasion of the outfit's 39th Raising Day, which falls on April 14th. Around 14 girls from northeastern region, including Tripura and Assam, were sold in Saudi Arabia by human traffickers. The shocking revelation came after Lucknow police arrested a notorious human trafficker who confessed to having trafficked and sold all 14 girls in Saudi Arabia. British High Commission to India Dominic Asquith today visited the Jallianwala Bagh National Memorial in Amritsar and paid tribute to those killed in the indiscriminate firing by the colonial forces 100 years ago in Amritsar ground. Union Minister Maneka Gandhi, the Bharatiya Janata Party BJP candidate for the Sultanpur, found herself in a controversy yesterday over what was seen as a veiled threat to Muslim voters. At an election rally in Muslim-dominated Turaf Khani village, Gandhi said Muslims would not get jobs if they did not vote for her. Russia announced yesterday that President Vladimir Putin will confer its highest civilian award, the Order of the Holy Apostle Andrew I, on Prime Minister Narendra Modi for his work on bilateral ties. The Indian cricket team has tried several players in the number 4 slot since the last World Cup, but none of them could perform consistently. However, with the 2019 World Cup coming up, the Indian team selectors have a huge task at hand to select the right number 4 batsmen on Monday, as the Indian team for the quadrennial event will be selected on that day. Former Indian cricketer Sunil Gavaskar said that KL Rahul could bat at number 4 for the man in blue.